Well, no. Now remember, we can always add when it's going in our favor, right? So somebody asked me up here, can you add? Of course. You can add, right? It's going in your favor until it's not, right? So you can always add as long as it's going in the direction that you are headed towards, right? Double bottom bounce or single, right? Let's say double bottom. Let's say you're just a scalper. Well, guess what, scalpers? If you're in a call, you can add. Don't add. It's going the other way, right? So same thing with a 2 minute. If it's going in your favor on the 2 minute, you can add as much as you want, right? But as soon as it starts to go against you, makes a different move, stop doing that, right? Now, some of you now you could add on the breathe backs here, breathe back here. Now here's where you get caught here, breathe back, and you add it in. Uh-oh, right? Do you see the damage? And you're like, well, I'll add more. Damn it. Now I'm going to sell it all. Oh, damn it. So, so if we start to do too much, you start trying to overly advance this thing, you're going to get into problems. Let's look at some key critical areas and see if we can get. Now you can see that the volume has dropped out, right, partner? That's not good for you, by the way. Do you see how we got these little dots?
Mm-hmm.
So that means volume has faded. So that's not good for you, only because market is not going to go up or down, obviously, without volume. So right now, there's just nothing pushing in. You can tell also by the L2. You see how we're here on the L2, the level, the order book. So yeah, not a lot of buying and selling going on. Let me look. The other thing you can watch for is this volume. So basically, what's your average price?
1858. Oh wait, no. 850, 815.
Okay, 815.
Shares.
Okay, well, that's good. So I would not let it go under 820. That's just me.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, cool.
Yep.
I'm learning.
Yep. And you can see it right here, everybody. The reason I pulled this right number out of my ish is because of right here. Right here. You can see where it started to make different moves when it was touching. You see how it was consolidating off of this range. So this 820 looks like some sort of key critical area. So now what does that mean? So actually, looking at it, 819 would probably be my stop, partner. The reason is because if it touches 820, you could get a bounce, right? You don't want to sell it on 820 because it could touch, bounce, make a new high type of situation. Now, if you went in heavy, so there's a difference between if you went in heavy or you went in light. If you went in heavy and you're at 815, I don't let it move that much. I'll be honest with you, because I'd rather collect more money. And if that's the case, I'd probably have my stop more around this 824, 823, just because no reason to give up all that money to see if it will bounce. Instead, what I'd do, I'd let it collect around here, around 824-ish. I'd let it collect my money. And then if it shot back to the upside, I would add in again. But what I don't like doing when I'm way up is letting it come all the way back, take all my gains just to see if it wants to bounce. Does that make sense?
Yeah, absolutely.